How to use hammer in Color Block Jam. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use this hammer. So first of all, open the application. Now I am already inside a game. Here there are different boosters that are available. Here on the third, simply tap on this hammer icon. Now you'll be able to use this hammer in order to blow different blocks. So here simply tap on the block that you want to hammer. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do that, it will completely be gone. So here you can adjust other blocks and let them freely after using this feature. So you can use it in different situations and different scenarios to make your gameplay easy and even boost the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.